Uh-oh, Austin's trying to get away. He's having a little bath. Austin, do you like this bath? No, I don't like the bath. Ooh. Obviously, he's not as much appreciated of getting clean as most species would be. He says, I spent all that time getting all muddy. Uh-oh.
What? Whoa! Yeah!
Are you going to get in, Ray? Are you going to get in there?
Some more? No more. Okay. Okay, Austin. Enough.
No!
Okay? Austin, enough.
All right. Good job, Austin. Good job, Austin. Yay. Good boy, Austin.
Look at that.
Oh, thank you.